InterBike 2013. Let's do this. We're about to call the gods of war. I don't have enough hands to play this handlebar. So far, no good. Oh, I almost got you. I almost.
And go.
850, 3, double button. There's a peace pipe.
Pull your pockets out.
Doesn't work. This is a stock bar, off the shelf. Well, that's good. This is the enduro horn. Glasses. Everybody just enduro. We're good.
Check this out. First, what specific year?
We did sorry.
Failed.
I'm sorry.
Operator failure.
Well,
I'm thinking there's some user error. I don't mean to criticize, but
I'm the professional.
User error. Well, professional what? Well, good to know. Lesson learned.
Thank you so much.
A pleasure.
They don't sound. I don't know how they ride. We have no idea. Excellent. Apparently, they sound terrible.
If you put a female nipple right there, then I might be more willing to put my mouth on it.
Brian Lopes says he'll suckle a handlebar if there was a nipple on the end. Just a little industry feedback. Done.
Incredible.
Most premium.
Wow. Nice.
Yes.
So cool.
Thank you. I have just a set of bars that I can use real quick.
They're all bolted to the wall.
How do you unbolt them?
It's a huge pain in the ass.
Huge pain in the ass.
What you have to do is remove a panel.
Let's go take a look at them.
It takes 2 people to remove the panel.
Yeah.
That's not aero.
We're testing like a motherfucker. Don't worry about it.
That's not aero.
Ready? That's a good sounding bar.
I'm glad that you proved me wrong and pulled that off the wall. It's too bad that wasn't part of his video.
It may be. I don't know. We'll see.
I don't think he caught it.
Hey.
Okay, what's the trick?
You have to press your lips firmly together and go. Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's Thompson quality right there.